There's a common myth that we need eyeshadows to create beautiful looks, but we often overlook the most versatile and common eye products that are lying in our stashes. Yes, I'm talking about eye pencils that don't get past our waterlines or lash lines. But in today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a beautiful eye look with just eye pencils. So if you're ready, let's begin. I'm starting out by priming my lids with the Pack Takeover Concealer in the shade Stark Nude, and I'll be skipping powders as pencils don't work well on powders. To get those dramatic straight edges, I'm using a sticky tape. Taking this brown eye pencil from the Sugar Pop, I'll be creating a V in my outer corner. This doesn't have to be too perfect as we'll be smudging it anyways. Next, using my flat short shader brush from Real Techniques, I'll start to smudge the eye pencil by dragging it inwards and outwards. Once I'm happy with how it looks, I'll be picking up the Magnet Eye Kajal by Faces Canada, and I'll again draw a small V in the outer corner. Using my flat short shader brush, I'll again smudge the kajal using the inward and outward motion. To decorate my lid, I'll be dipping into these two shimmery shades from the Natasha Denona Biba eyeshadow palette with my flat brush. Very quickly, I'll be revealing my tape and cleaning up underneath my eye using a concealer. For my lower lash line, I'll be drawing with the brown kajal by Sugar Pop and smudge it using my flat short shader brush by Real Techniques. For my waterline, I'll be using the Magnet Eye Kajal by Faces Canada. To bring some brightness to my inner corners and my brow bone, I'm again using this shimmery shade from the Natasha Denona Biba eyeshadow palette with my flat short shader brush. To finish up, I'll be curling my lashes and coating them with some mascara. This one is by Mars. And for falsies, I'm using the Swiss Beauty lashes in the style Pixie. And here is the finished look. So if you happen to learn something and enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left the link to my social media accounts in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.